Hello students. In last class we were discussed about the applications of basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Now in this session we discuss few more applications on basic proportionality theorem and its converse. Now suppose any line parallel to parallel sides of a trapezium. Do you know about a trapezium? Trapezium is a simple closed figure with four line segments. In that, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Means a polygon with one pair of parallel sides is called as a trapezium. Okay, this is ABCD is a trapezium. In this one, this AB and DC are the parallel sides, and this AD and CD are the non-parallel sides. Non-parallel sides. These are non-parallel sides. These are the parallel sides. In a trapezium, if these non-parallel sides are equal, then it is called as an isosceles trapezium. Remember these are all. Okay. If non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, then it is a isosceles trapezium. And these are the one pair of parallel lines in a trapezium. When you join this A to C, this is a diagonal of a trapezium. Each diagonal it divides into two triangles. I'm not saying they are congruent, just they divide into each diagonal divides into two triangles. This one triangle. Again, if I draw BD, again these two are the another two triangles. Now, see here, in a non-parallel sides, if non-parallel sides are equal, then it is called as a isosceles trapezium, I said. In isosceles trapezium, these base angles are equal. Those are all we'll discuss in later. Okay, just I'm revising the concept of polygons here. Okay, now my question is here, in a trapezium, one pair of opposite sides are parallel are there. If a line drawn parallel to these parallel lines, EF is the one more line which is parallel to these parallel lines of a trapezium. Then this line EF will divide other two non-parallel sides in the same ratio. Then this line which is drawn EF is the another line which is drawn parallel to the parallel lines. Then this EF line will meet the non-parallel lines AD at E and BC at F now. These AD and BC also divided into two equal ratios. It means BE by EA is equal to CF by FB. Okay, that we have to prove. Okay, any line parallel to parallel sides of a trapezium, then it divides the non-parallel sides in the same ratio. That I am going to prove it now. Question is, any line parallel to parallel sides of a trapezium divides the non-parallel sides in the same ratio, means in proportion. In the same ratio, it is nothing but a proportionality is nothing but a non-parallel sides proportionally or in the same ratio. Okay, any line parallel to parallel sides of a trapezium divide the non-parallel sides proportionally. Divides the non-parallel sides proportionally. Sometimes they may give like this. In a trapezium ABCD, sometimes they may ask like this also. In a trapezium ABCD, AB parallel to DC is parallel to EF, such that EF, then AE by EB is equal to BF by FC. They may ask like this in words also. They may, okay, like this a figure if they given like this they may ask. Or else like this. Any line parallel to parallel sides of a trapezium, divide the non-parallel sides proportionally or in the same ratio. See here given ABCD is a trapezium. In trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC, okay, and EF is also parallel to DC. This also, all these three lines are parallel. Now required to prove is AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. BF by FC. Okay, in trapezium ABCD, AB parallel to DC as per the trapezium rule. And as per my question, a line EF is parallel to DC means it is automatically parallel to the AB also. Okay, then what we have to prove here? AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. To prove that construction I am doing here, the information is not enough. So join AC and it intersect at G. Join AC which intersects EF at G. Okay, now proof. Okay, understood or till here? See here, ABCD is a trapezium. In this trapezium, AB parallel to DC. In trapezium, any two pair of opposite sides are any one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So in that one line I drawn which is parallel to the given parallel sides. Now I have to prove that AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. For that construction I made, what I did here, I joined the AC means diagonal. One diagonal I took. The diagonal intersect EF at G. Now in triangle ADC you take. In triangle ADC, rough diagram, EG is parallel to DC or not? Because EF is parallel to DC, no? So EG is parallel to DC. EG is parallel to DC. By basic proportionality theorem, AE by ED is equal to AG by GC. AE by EG is equal to, AE by ED is equal to AG by GC. Equation number 1. Okay. Now again take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, GF is parallel to AD. Okay, GF is parallel to AB. Now GF is parallel to AB. No, again by basic proportionality theorem, AG by GC is equal to BF by FC. AG by GC is equal to BF by FC. Equation number 2. Okay. From these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2. AG by GC can be replaced with BF by FC or not? Means AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. Okay, hence proved. See here, in second triangle, as per my requirement, I took AG by GC is equal to BF by FC. If you take reverse also, CF by FB is equal to CG by GC, GA. Again, when you reciprocal, you will get the same answer. So, direct reciprocal and I took here. Here, in the second triangle, CF by FB is equal to CG by GA. When you reciprocal, again AG by GC is equal to BF by FC. As per my requirement is AG by GC I have now. So that direct I took corollary I applied here. In the second one, while taking here, actually triangle like this will get here. AB, C, CF by FB is equal to CG by GA we have to take. But direct I applied a corollary and direct I took here because as per my requirement I took AG by GC is equal to BF by FC. If I take reverse also, CF by FB is equal to CG by GA. When you reciprocal again, FB by FC is equal to GA by GC. Same only now? Same or not? So that direct one step ahead I took here. Corollary I applied and I took this one direct as per my requirement. Please note down this. See here, any line parallel to parallel sides of a trapezium divide the non-parallel sides proportionally. Means in this trapezium ABCD, EF is the line drawn parallel to the parallel sides. Then non-parallel sides are AE and AB, AD and BC. BCs are equally divided in the same ratio. In the same ratio, they are dividing in the same ratio. Proportionally means nothing but in the same ratio. Only one change I made, that is I took a diagonal. When I take diagonal, the diagonal will meet EF at G. Then this is one triangle and this is one triangle. In this triangle, by directly here EG is parallel to BC. A line drawn parallel to one side will divide other two sides in the same ratio. By using that property, BBT theorem, AE by ED is equal to AG by GC. In second triangle, ABCA, GF is parallel to AB. Actually, I have to take CF by FB is equal to CG by GA. But one step corollary I took and I took the reverse. AG by GC is equal to BF by FC. Because I have here AG by GC now. So that I took there also. Direct one corollary I applied and I took direct here. Corollary is note points I gave after converse of BPT. After BPT. So direct that I applied. Now in these two equations AG by GC is common. So AE by ED is equal to BF by FC. Please make a note. Okay. Next one. Next one more application. Next, prove that the diagonals of a trapezium. Prove that the diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally. Prove that the diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally. Proportionally. Sorry. See here, ABCD is a trapezium. In trapezium, ABCD, AB is parallel to DC, AC and BD, AC and BD. Intersects at E. Now required to prove is they are proportionally divides each other. Means AE by EC is equal to BE by ED. AE by EC is equal to BE by okay. Now AE by EC trapezium divide each other proportionally, means they intersect proportionally, means they are dividing into equal ratio. They are dividing into each other in equal ratio. Understood? See, now construction. So little bit change I am taking here. Draw FE is parallel to AB. FE is parallel to AB. Already AB is obviously parallel to DC. FE, I constructed draw FE is parallel to AB. But already AB and DC are parallel. That means AB, FE and DC, all three lines are parallel to each other. All the three lines are parallel to each other. Draw FE is parallel to, this is my construction part here. Construct FE. FE is parallel to AB. You draw the FE is parallel to AB, but already AB is parallel to DC. That means these three lines are parallel to each other. Now proof. Now consider ABD triangle. In triangle ABD, FE is parallel to AB. Rough diagram draw. These two are parallel. So by basic proportionality theorem, dF by FA is equal to dE by EB. dE by EB. Okay, if you take reverse reciprocal, it is FA by FB is equal to, or AF by FD is equal to B by ED. Reciprocal means. Equation number 1. Is it visible? Okay. In triangle ABD, FE is parallel to AB. So by basic proportionality theorem, dF by FA is equal to dE by EB. If I reciprocal, AF by FD is equal to BE by ED. Now, triangle ADC you take now. In triangle ADC, FE is parallel to DC. FE is parallel to EC. Again, FE is parallel to DC. Again, by basic proportionality theorem, AF by FD is equal to AE by EC. AF by FD is equal to AE by EC. Equation number 2. Again, from these two equations, AF by FD is common. One time this base ABD triangle I took. I did not take this side part. So from equation 1 and equation 2, from equation 1 and equation 2, BE by ED is equal to AE by EC. Hence proved. See here once again. Prove that the diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally. To prove that in trapezium ABC, AB parallel to DC, AC and BD are the diagonals meet at E, then we have to prove that AE by EC is equal to BE by ED. Okay, to prove that, I made a construction, draw FE is parallel to AB. FE parallel to AB, FE is also parallel to DC because AB and DC are parallel to each other. So, in triangle the ABD triangle, FE is parallel to AB. By basic proportionality theorem, FD by DM by FE is equal to DE by ED. If I reciprocal, AM by FD is equal to BE by ED. Again, in triangle ADC, FE is parallel to DC. AM by basic proportionality theorem, AM by FD is equal to AE by EC. Same here, equation 1 and equation 2, AF by FD is common. So BE by ED is equal to AE by EC. Okay, from these two equations, hence I proved it. Thank you. Okay, these are the about basic proportionality theorem, converse of basic proportionality theorem, applications. Okay, next video we'll discuss some other few more applications and as well as similar triangles, definitions, constructions, all those things. Thank you.